Ever wondered who could rival Chainsaw Man's chaotic power? Let's dive into the strongest foes in Chainsaw Man Reezy arc. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe. Meet Beam, the Shark Fiend, Chainsaw Man's biggest fan, with razor sharp teeth and diving skills. He's the perfect surprise attacker. Joining Chainsaw Man to face the Bomb Girl, Beam's loyalty shines bright. Next up, the Violence Fiend. Silent and masked. He's a martial artist whose punches pack a deadly punch. And it would seem to be really profound in the hiking of Visible and carrying back over some message like the Typhoon Devil brings the storm, representing the fear of natural disasters. This devil wreaks havoc effortlessly. Controlling the weather, it influences lives subtly. A true master of destruction. Angel Devil, the calm pessimist, drains life with a touch. Weapons forged from stolen lifespans make him a tricky opponent. Avoid his grasp or risk losing precious time. Chainsaw Man, our unpredictable hero, thrives on chaos. His strength and thirst for violence pale compared to his unpredictability. Madman, who keeps coming back no matter the odds. Bomb Girl, the arc's powerhouse, tops the list with explosive abilities and combat experience. She outmatches Chainsaw Man based on bombs. Her destructive potential is unmatched. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, ever felt like you need a chainsaw to cut through your problems? Stay tuned for more adventures.